Hi guys, welcome to Team Tech Dom. In today's video, we're going to look at exercise 4.4, which is about printing a list of 1 million numbers. This is from the book Python Crash Course by Eric Matisse. Let's look at the question. Exercise 4.4, 1 million. Make a list of the numbers from 1 to 1 million and then use the for loop to print the numbers. If the output is taking too long, stop it by pressing ctrl-C or by closing the output window. So a fair warning, this program may cause your system to slow down a bit, but if it's taking too long, you can just use the command Ctrl and C to stop it. So let's do this in Spider. Okay, so I'm going to create a list of 1 million numbers. And so I'm going to use the range function, which is going to generate a series of numbers from 1, and I need to specify the stop number, which is 1 million. So the thing is, since I want this to stop at 1 million, I need to add an extra number to it, which is 1,000,001. So it's going to start from 1 and stop at the number before this number specified here, which is 1 million. Since I'm supposed to make a list of 1 million numbers, I'm going to use a list function to convert this series of numbers to a list. So this is going to create a list of numbers from 1 to 1 million. The next part of the question is to loop through these numbers, loop through the numbers in a list. So I'm going to use the for loop for I in 1 million. Print I. So I'm going to print numbers from 1 to 1 million. Can't actually print the list because the question didn't ask me to print it, but you can go ahead and print the list. I'm just going to print out the numbers in the list. Right? Brace yourself. We're about to do this. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. So this program is definitely going to take a while to run to get 1 million, but let's just see it. But note that if it's taking too long and you want to stop it at any point, you can press Ctrl and C on your keyboard. Just hold Ctrl and press C and it's going to terminate the program. To save time, I'm just going to fast forward the video. Okay, so it's going to take a while. I'm just going to terminate this program now by pressing Ctrl-C. But if you want to see it to the end, you can try this. So Ctrl-C, and that's going to interrupt the code. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and don't forget to subscribe.